Hey everybody, today we're going to be replacing the control panel in the Amana. Our old one we're going to be putting in this one. I got this off a repair clinic. You can tell it's used, but as long as it works, probably going to just clean it up a little bit. It should fit. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and take this thing apart and then we'll get in there. That's the original capacitor, it's oily. I got to get a replacement. It should look pretty good in there. Alright, I've got it all open. Got nice access. I'm going to go ahead and unscrew these bolts and we're going to get in. Yep, it should fit in there perfectly fine. There's what the new one's going to look like. And here's the old one.